I was asked to thank you guys for the past 2 years. And I was asked to give a speech. But as many of you know, that is not what I do. Okay? So this is for you guys. We're finally here, it's graduation day. We're almost done and we'll be on our way. I want you all to know what it took to get here. All you future nurses will be shaking with fear. Hand washing is first, making beds and baths later. Sterile technique when you put in the cap. Boot camp for 6 weeks and check-offs with Karen. You never knew if you were right by the way she'd be staring. With our first patients, a lot of time was spent. 8 hours just to do one assessment. We had to check blood pressures and heart rates too. We even learned we could deal with poo. Our clinical instructors had a lot to share. They taught us many skills and taught us how to care. Then our preceptors, they taught us a lot. They were always right there if we were feeling distraught. From Howard to Sutter, then UVMC, we caused every nurse to have hypertrophy. We'd ask a lot of questions, they were always right there. No other nurses could ever compare. Peds, OB, then pharmacy. Karen always wanted us to get our master's degree. Karen simulations made our heads go boom. We learned to care for patients from the womb to the tomb. Nora was our teacher in our second year. For her, classroom teaching was a new frontier. We learned a lot together about bones and lows, but you better know about functioning anaerobes. Fran taught us just about everything, but if you ask me, she is a psych king. We'd ask a lot of questions about meds and trends. It didn't matter what the question, there was always, it depends. We'd bought so many papers and presentations. Every time we'd have heart palpitations. So many times I thought we were leaving our hearse, but she really taught us what it meant to be a nurse. Mendocino College has been our home, but now it's time to go out on our own and roam. Thank you all for being here today, but let's get this thing started so we can get some pay. Boom.